In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a coupon code for USPS, United States Postal Service. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. I'm going to open up any web browser. I'm going to head on over to Google and then type in promo code for USPS here. Then a whole list of results will appear. So you got coupons.com, Retail Me Not, Simply Codes, Coupon Cabin. You can check out any one of these websites to get a promo code for USPS, but the one I like to use is don'tpayfull.com. So I'm going to click onto don'tpayfull.com. It's going to do a captcha thingy here, so you just click verify you're human, and then after that you'll get access to the different coupon codes here. So you got 10% off site-wide, 20% off, etc, etc. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on the 20% off site-wide code. And now what I want to do is copy this code here, like so, copy to clipboard, paste this at the checkout section of USPS on your order, and look for where it says enter promo or coupon code, and paste that code in to enjoy your 20% off.